Hello and welcome to the section on Introduction to PHP. In this section, you will able to learn about client-server mode, request and response pattern, and get to know the PHP language background. This section focuses more on concepts to help you see the bigger picture of what and why we are using PHP. After this section, you should be able to explain what is PHP and its features and compare PHP with other web languages. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so let's look at the objective of this section and understand topic you will able to do after this section. First lecture, you will able to learn about client server model. Once you understand this concept, then you will able to draw your own client server model, and also you will able to explain client server model to anyone. Next is request response definition. Well, request response definition is basically a pattern that you have to understand before you understand how PHP works. So this is a very common question that people ask, how the request response work in web. So here we'll understand how request response works, and also you will able to draw your own request response pattern. This way you will understand the concept well, and also you will be able to explain this concept to anyone. Then you will also learn what is PHP and describe what you can do with PHP. After this lecture, you should be able to explain what is PHP to your friends. Next lecture will be interesting to know how PHP work in a web application. We'll combine all the concepts that we have learned and understand how PHP language is used in the web application. This way you will appreciate the problem that PHP is solving in the web and how PHP can be used in the web applications. Last, you will also be able to see the difference between PHP and other web languages in the market doing the same job. This way you will get to know what are the other languages similar to PHP, and you'll understand why PHP is a neutral and a simple language compared to others. Well, that's all you're going to learn in this section. Let's go into each of the lectures now, and I'll see you in the next lecture.